kids, today we are going to make a lava lamp at home. Now, most of this stuff you should have, or your parents might have laying around the house, so it should be pretty easy to get to it. With the exception of Alka-Seltzer, your parents will know what this is. It looks just like that. If you don't, however, you can use salt instead of this. This just makes it like a little bit easier. But yeah, you're just gonna use that, some vegetable oil or any kind of oil, food coloring to change the colors of how your lava lamp will look. You can also throw like glitter and stuff like that in there as well if you want to use. But yeah, that's pretty much all you're gonna need. So first, what you're gonna want to do is take your vegetable oil and you're gonna fill up, whether you have a jar or cup or anything like that. Yeah, you're just gonna fill it up probably a little more than halfway. Just like that. And then what you're gonna wanna do is put water in the rest of the way. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some water. All right, there we go. So now we have a jar full of probably 3/4 oil, vegetable oil, and just 1/4, maybe a little less, of water. And then you're gonna take your food coloring, whichever color you want. I want mine to look blue, so I'm gonna put a couple drops of blue in there. Just like that. Now you're gonna notice that the water and the oil didn't mix, so like all the water stayed at the bottom and then the oil just kind of stayed in the middle. That's exactly how it's supposed to look. You don't have to worry about stirring or anything like that. Sorry if the audio is kind of bad. I'm just kind of winging it in the kitchen. I don't have a mic and the camera is like pretty far back. But you're gonna take your Alka-Seltzer, if you have it. If not, this one you're just pouring some salt. But you're gonna take this little tablet and you're gonna break it up into like little chunks, just like this. Now I think some Alka-Seltzer comes in like a powder. That's fine as well. You just use a teaspoon. But if it's a tablet, then you just break it up just like that, nice little chunks, and then you put your chunks in there, and bam. Now, oh, let me move it back so you can see. Now you have a lava lamp. And the blue is slowly going to start, where the water is at is where the Alka-Seltzer is activated, and that's going to just start fizzing up and making little bubbles, and those bubbles are going to get trapped inside the oil, and the oil is going to make a little like casing around the bubbles, and then as they go up, that's how they're able to stay kind of like solid like that and like float around. And let's see what happens if you add some more color, like green or something. Then we're going to take the second tablet after you added green, and you're going to want to do the same thing. Break it up into small little pieces. Just like this. And just drop them in. That's pretty cool. And there you have it, your own lava lamp. Another cool thing, I don't have it, but if you make it kind of at nighttime, you can take a flashlight, and if you hold like a flashlight under, the colors that you put down here, so it's whether it's blue, red, or whatever, will shine through the whole thing, and then it'll give it like this like glow kind of picture. But yeah, that's how you make your own lava lamp at home. I hope you guys liked the video, and I'll see y'all next time.